Musamseleku said he is punishing Makhumalo for not accepting Makwela. Why he can't punish Mangwabe and Mayeni? Musamseleku said Makhumalo was the one who told Mayeni and Mangwabe not accepting Makwela. Guys, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are older than Makhumalo. Why Mayeni listened to Makhumalo? Musamseleku knows that Mayeni, she is very rude. When it comes to Makhumalo, Musamseleku wants to be tough. The way he is treating Makhumalo is not good because he doesn't have kids with Makhumalo. That's why he is not begging Makhumalo like the way he begs Mayeni and Mangwabe. So those things, guys, when it comes to Makhumalo, it's very hurt. Makhumalo, guys, she is very hurt because you can't say it on national TV that you want to punish your wife by not coming to her house. Imagine, guys, Musamseleku was saying those words on television. Other men, they are watching Utando Nestembu. You are saying that you are punishing Makhumalo for not coming. You are not going to Makhumalo's house. Guys, you know that Makhumalo, when we heard that Makhumalo, she had an affair with another man, we can't be shocked. We can't be shocked because the way you are treating your wife on public and you are sending other men, because other men, they can feel for Makhumalo. This woman, she is suffering, and they can go to Makhumalo, especially Makhumalo is staying in Durban nowadays. You know that it's very easy because it's her house. She can do whatever she want to do. She can bring whatever she want to bring. It's about Makhumalo respect Musamseleku only. If it was someone who can bring some other men in that house, because Musamseleku says he is punishing her, it's very easy that Makhumalo can yet affair with another man. We can't be shocked, guys. Even one day we say Musamseleku says Makhumalo, she had an affair. Where he is, Musamseleku, he was busy with his wives, and now Makhumalo, maybe Makhumalo cheat or Makhumalo had an affair with another man. People, we are starting blaming Makhumalo. For what, guys? Because was the one who says it on television, and other men, they will go to Makhumalo. That's why you saw even on that day on function, Makhumalo was busy, guys, praising other men, but didn't do it to Musamseleku. I saw that video, Makhumalo with another, you know that it starts there, Makhumalo, because most of the men, they are praising Makhumalo. Makhumalo, you are beautiful. What? Musamseleku can't do those. We say those words to Makhumalo. I love you. You are beautiful. He can't say those words, but he can say it to Mayeni and Mangwa. You understand? So, guys, it doesn't matter that maybe Makhumalo can have an affair with another man, because it can. Sometimes, and it's possible that Makhumalo can have an affair, because Makhumalo is an independent, and you know that every man, most of the men in South Africa, they wish to be to date a person like Makhumalo, to marry a wife like Makhumalo. Even most of the people, they saw it Utando Nestembo season 6, season 5. People, they love to watch. When it comes to Musamseleku and Makhumalo, we love to watch them, because Makhumalo, she was very peaceful and a lovely wife when it comes to Musamseleku. But now, even people, they saw it, they can saw that Makhumalo is not okay, guys. Makhumalo, she is not okay. So we can't be shocked that we heard that Makhumalo, she had an affair with another man. Why we can shocked? Because the way Musamseleku is treating his wife in front of other men, because most of the men, they are watching it. You are saying it to your wife that I want to punish Makhumalo, to punish her. Imagine, Musamseleku, imagine. And you are sending other men to your wife to go to be with your wife, because every man, guys, who doesn't want to stay in a mansion? In a mansion, Makhumalo can have any man she want to be with. Makhumalo can afford herself. You understand? So Musamseleku, one day you will regret maybe another man staying at Makhumalo's house in Durban. Makhumalo, she can bring you. We can say Makhumalo is married. What? It's for shit. Those things that Makhumalo is married. Is married to who? Is married to you who? Because Makhumalo, even on Umembe, so Makhumalo paid, guys. Paid those deco, what, everything. Musamseleku didn't contribute on Umembezo. So we can say Makhumalo is married to who?